What challenges do bird rescues face? Imagine finding a tiny bird injured and helpless, hoping someone will help. Now picture all the hurdles the rescue organizations face just to give that bird a second chance. One big challenge is money. Bird rescue groups mostly relying on donations and volunteers. But donations can be unpredictable and not enough to cover everything. Veterinary care for injured birds can cost hundreds of dollars, especially if they need surgeries or long-term treatment. Many birds arrive with broken wings, infections, or other serious health issues that need constant attention. Transport is another tricky part. Moving birds safely can be complicated. They might need to be transported across states or even countries. During transport, rescuers must be careful to avoid stressing the birds, causing injuries, or spreading diseases. Sometimes, large numbers of birds are rescued at once, making transportation even more difficult and costly. Space is also a big concern. Many rescue centers have limited room. When they reach capacity, they have to turn away new birds or place them in less suitable environments. Changing rules and standards can force rescues to reduce intake or shut down temporarily, leaving birds without help. Long-term care is another challenge. Some birds cannot be released back into the wild because of injuries or behavioral issues. They need special diets, enrichment activities, and ongoing veterinary visits. Providing this care can be expensive and time-consuming, sometimes lasting 4 years. Another issue is spotting genuine rescue groups. Some organizations might not prioritize the birds' well-being and could be more interested in profit. This can lead to poor treatment or neglect of the birds in their care. For birding communities and groups, understanding these challenges is important. Supporting rescues by volunteering, donating supplies, or spreading awareness helps. Knowing what rescue organizations face makes it easier to appreciate their hard work and encourages responsible support. So, rescuing birds is not always easy or quick. It takes a lot of effort, resources, and dedication. But every bird saved is a small victory, thanks to the perseverance of these organizations.